The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, navigation system, backup camera, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.